Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these bunch of rectangles put together, as you can see in this diagram, such that the area of this purple rectangle is 14 centimeter square, whereas the area for this yellow rectangle is 28 centimeter square. This upper horizontal distance is 9 centimeter, whereas this lower horizontal distance is 10 centimeter. And furthermore, this vertical distance is 5 centimeter. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded rectangle that is represented by x centimeter square. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this shaded rectangle. And now let's recall the area of rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. And in our case, the length of this shaded rectangle is 10 and the width is 5. So therefore, the area of this shaded rectangle is going to be simply length times width is going to be 10 times 5 is going to give us 50 centimeter square. And we know that this shaded rectangle consists of this green rectangle as well as this purple rectangle, and we know the area of this purple rectangle is 14. So therefore, the area of this green rectangle is going to be this total shaded area minus this purple area. In other words, 50 minus 14, that is going to give us 36 centimeter square. So therefore, our this green rectangle area turns out to be 36 centimeter square. Now let's think outside the box, and we have drawn these auxiliary lines such that we got this white rectangle. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this shaded rectangle that consists of this white rectangle as well as this green rectangle. And we know that we are dealing with these rectangles. We know that this horizontal length is 9 centimeter. So therefore, this horizontal length is going to be 9 centimeter as well. And furthermore, this vertical length is 5 centimeter. So therefore, this vertical length is going to be 5 centimeter as well. And now let's recall the area of rectangle formula once again. Area equals to length times width. And in our case, the length is 9 and the width is 5 for this shaded rectangle. So therefore, the area of this shaded rectangle is going to be equal to length in our case is 9 and width is 5. That is going to give us 45 centimeter square. And we know that the area of this green shaded region is 36 centimeter square. So therefore, the area of this white rectangle is going to be equal to this total shaded area minus this green rectangle area. So therefore, I'm gonna write down 45 minus 36 is going to give us 9. So therefore, the area for this white rectangle turns out to be 9 centimeter square. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this big rectangle that consists of this blue, yellow, green, and white rectangles. And now we can see we got the proportions of these areas. Let's look at this first ratio. I'm going to write down x divided by 28 equals to this other ratio 9 and 36. Let me go ahead and write down 9 divided by 36. And now we can see on the right hand side 9 divided by 36 reduces to 1 divided by 4. So therefore, I'm going to write down x divided by 28 equals to 1 divided by 4. And now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 28 to isolate x, and now we can see this 28 and 28 is gone, so our x value turns out to be 28 divided by 4 is going to give us 7. So thus the area of this blue shaded rectangle turns out to be 7 centimeter square. In other words, x value is 7. So thus the area of this blue shaded rectangle turns out to be 7 centimeter square. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.